In this video, we will talk about SQL update statement. As clear from the name, update statement is used to update the table records. So in SQL, you can either update a single record or multiple records, or you can also update entire table records at the same time. Okay, so I'll show you all of these three things. So I'll just simply go to SQL, but before that, let me just pick up a particular employee number. Let's say 1004. Okay, this one. So here you can see the first name is Christian Koblik. Okay, so here the name is Christian Koblik. I'll just change this name, first name and last name, using the update statement. I just remember the unique identifier of this particular record, that is employee underscore number, and so I just copied this one 1004. Okay, and I'll go to SQL. Now the update syntax is like this: update, and then we have to specify the table name. Update employees, and then we have to specify the keyword set to set the new values for particular columns. Okay, you can definitely change the entire record, but you have to specify the values for columns one by one. So here, like, I'm setting the value for first name. So here I write the name Shanice. If you want to also update the value of the other column, that is last name, I'll just use comma, last underscore name is equal to, and then here you can specify the other name, Robin. Okay, so Shanice Robin, first name is Shanice and last name is Robin. Okay, I want to set this first name and this last name value. Now I'll specify the where clause to select that particular record where I want to make this change. Okay, where employee underscore number is equal to 1004. Okay, so I am telling SQL to update the employees table by setting the value of first name as Shanice and last name as Robin for the record where the employee number is 10004. Okay, that's it. That's the update query. And to run it, I'll simply click on the go button, and the query is executed, and you can see one row is affected with our query. And now I'll just click on the employees, and now you will see for the record 10004, the name, first name and last name is updated. Now it's Shanice Robin. Okay, so only this record has been updated because we have clearly specified in the where clause that we only want the record with the employee number, this one, to be updated. And similarly, you can also update multiple records. Okay, and I'll show you how. So update, then again the table name, updating employees, last underscore name is equal to ABC. I'm just taking an example. Okay, set last name is equal to ABC where EMP underscore number is greater than 10,004. Then I will use AND operator. Employee number is less than 10,009. Okay, let's say. So here 5 records or maybe 4 records will be updated, and with the last name ABC we will see. Okay, so you see 4 records has been updated with the last name ABC. Similarly, you can just add any condition to select particular records where you want to make the update. Just make sure whenever you make use of a update statement, make sure you also make use of the where clause to select the particular records where you actually want to make the change. If you don't write the where clause, the entire table records may get updated. Okay, so let's say if I write this, update employees, first name is equal to hello. Okay, and if I write like this, update employee, set first name is equal to hello, it will set the first name as hello for the entire table records. Okay, for the entire 300,000 plus records. So that is obviously not good. So you should avoid that, and you should always make use of where clause to specify the right records. Okay, that's all about the update statement.